Look at the dawn. So pretty. Well, I'm going on a dinner date. He invited me for dinner at his place. So I'm gonna give this gift. So for this for me. He knows I like flowers. Polluting his mind at the moment. No, I can see like 4 eyes.
What?
I don't know. I'm not kidding.
Special one for Young T.
Special. Oh wow, thank you. Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm all ready now. I'm going on a dinner date because David, he invited me for dinner at his place. And I am going now. I know it's my first time going to his place and I don't know. So it's pretty cold now because it's already 8 p.m. As you can see that it's not so dark yet, but he just lived close by, like around 5 minutes walkable distance, like 5 to 10 minutes walkable distance. So I'll just walk and hold on now. I will get you up guys once I reach there. I'm so sorry, the lighting is so bad here. It's dark here, so I switched on my light and it's a little weird, but anyway. So guys, actually I bought this bag for my professor. So on my way to David's place, I will just drop in at her place and I'll just give this to her. It's like, if you're from Nagaland, you all know this is the traditional shawl of our Naga, and this is the necklace of, you know, our traditional Naga. So yeah, I bought this for her. So I'm gonna try to squeeze this inside a small gift bag. Here, small gift bag. Let's see whether it will fit in or not. Even if it don't, I don't have any option. This is so weird. Let me do one thing. Fall this way. I'm so sorry. This bag. Oh my god. Okay, this way. Oh, perfect. So I'm gonna give this gift. So guys, let's go because it's already dark. Say, it's dark already. I'll see you guys later. I'll update you once I reach this place. So. Guys, you can't see me because it's so dark now. Even I can't see anything better. So I'm taking the shortcut. Hopefully I'll reach on time. Look at the dawn. So pretty. I just climb up from there. And as you can see, such a small pretty dawn. And look at the roots. So scary. To take this way. I'm bypassing someone's house. It's not actually the main road. Main road is that way. Finally. I see. It's dark. Look guys, look at the flowers, so pretty. Let me show you guys. This is The same. Is it the same one? Oh, it's the same flower. Look at this. Wow. So pretty. It's already spring here, so everything is so lively and beautiful here. Look at that. Wow. I wish we have this flower in my even in my neighborhood near my house. Anyways, let's go forward. Finally, I've reached this place, and it smells so good. Wow. Look, guys, no one is here. See you, Izzy. Hello. Nice meeting you. Close the door. You're alone. Should I take off my shoes here?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Sam is here.
Same story. I called him. He didn't pick the. Does he know that I'm shooting? Wow.
Hi.
Hello. I'm back. I called you.
Sorry?
I called
I
you.
just saw it, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I keep
That's okay.
Did you try
Hi, Sam.
calling?
Hi again.
Not today.
Not today.
My eyes are too red.
What happened? You okay?
Yeah, it's just a long day.
Okay. Ignore me, okay?
I'm gonna stare at you.
Don't stare at me. That's over now. I bought this water. My own water.
Okay, you're drinking only water.
Yeah. Mm.
But he trusts the one you hear, so that's what you need.
You first.
Seriously. Oh my god. I need to go up. I'll just go up and say hi. And why did you put this one on? This guys, look, go up quickly. Come. Guys, David bought some more for me.
Jack.
You stole it, nah? I know.
No, I bought from Tesco.
How
And
much
then
is it?
The middle one, Vinita bought it for me.
This is so
Wait.
beautiful.
Wait, I think it's... She bought it and gave it to me.
Hey, this is cheap.
Mm.
It looks very expensive.
Oh, then you can.
So David bought this for me. He knows I like flowers, so he arranged these flowers for me.
Sukamas.
Sugamas. David only knows sugamas, guys. He don't know anything apart from sugamas.
Oh my god, Laura.
You know what's that? David is teaching slangs to Sam because Sam is very innocent and David is polluting his mind at the moment. Guys, I'm gonna show you what David is cooking. I'll show you David's house. Hi, David. See here. Wow, is it pork?
Yeah.
Wow. And this is
Now,
dal. White dal is very dry.
I wanted it that...
Acha, more gravy. Not here we have chicken.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because, yeah.
Wow, yummy, yummy, yummy. And potato. Wow, my favorite. That's it, guys.
Then rice bucket.
Rice
It
guy.
won't take much time.
Okay. Actually, David's couch is very pretty, see? But he's very, very gender gutting. And this is his. Do you study here? No, you go to uni. Oh, his closet. This is David's closet. His washroom. His washroom and his bedroom. Let's check his
No,
bedroom.
it's fine. Don't go there.
Why not? I'll show you guys his bedroom. Let's see. I can't see anything. Why is it so dark? That's David's bedroom. Minimalist. I'm hungry, guys. I'm gonna show you this one. Look. I like this painting. So beautiful. And even this one. Ta-da! I don't know why. I didn't sleep well last night, guys. So my eyes. I feel so tired. I slept at around afternoon at 12. I didn't sleep last night. What happened?
No, he came up with an idea.
I'm
Hello.
gonna say it on the.
But not in front of
No.
camera though. Which rice do you want? Jasmine or basmati?
I want jasmine rice. I don't like basmati. Which one do you want? Jasmine or guys, my eyes. No, I can see like 4 eyes.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. David, even you, I feel like you have only one eye.
Just close your eyes for a bit. Yeah?
Because I didn't last night.
It happens.
Yeah, I was studying till morning, and after that I couldn't sleep.
Yeah, obviously then you're gonna be.
Yeah, I think that's the reason. And then at around 12 noon, I tried sleeping, and I woke up at 4.
Okay, so teach me something. You. Muy la kana am salas.
I'll teach you all. Now this is easy.
Yeah.
Good enough. Good means smile. Why are you laughing?
Good to know.
Good enough.
Good to know.
David.
Why you have to
Good.
go to know. Good to know.
No, good enough.
Good to know.
David. Good enough, David there. Good enough, David. Good enough, Sam.
Köszönöm sir.
Thank you in Sumi language dialect.
Hoş geldin.
Hoş geldin. Yeah, Maltese. So you say given tea means
How are you?
how are you?
And how do you respond?
I'm fine.
You can say tayyip, grazie.
Oh, grazie. Yeah, it's Italian.
Grazie.
Tayyip, grazie.
Tayyip,
But
grazie.
tayyip is coming from Arabic.
Tayyip is from Arabic.
Is it because of the
Grazie.
history of influence over?
Because
Ah.
Malta's in the Mediterranean between Sicily and Libya.
Yeah.
So,
The impact of colonization.
Gaddafi. No, that Gaddafi.
Yummy. Let's taste
That's
David's
Korean,
food.
Chimichurri.
Looks yummy.
David taught me how to eat.
Oh wow. You have a good friend who taught you so many things.
Click on
Yeah.
also use
When you open it. Pork. Yummy. You said you won't cook pork, no?
because you're
Special one for young tea.
Special. Oh wow, thank you. Look at this microwave. Wow, so fancy. Cute.
the rice or what?
Yeah, I'll go with the rice. Little bit of rice here because I'm Naga. This looks so yummy. Why are you shaking?
Because I'm watching Sam.
Same inside. One chicken leg piece. Wow. Yummy. And obviously dal. Dal looks yummy. Thank you. So kind of you.
You took too much rice.
You like potato, no?
Me? Yes, potato is my favorite. That's why you made potato. So sweet.
No, where should I watch? Where's the camera?
Let's eat, guys.
How?
You didn't brain enough, give.
Try again.
I like that.
Monsieur,
Fisan
name of the Father, Taliban,
Taliban.
the Spiritus Santo, Amen.
Talisan from. Let's test the with food. First rice. It's good. You should invite us often. I didn't know. Actually, David invited me for dinner so many times. Yeah. People will think that he never invites me. Try potato. The meat texture is so good, David.
Chef David. That's what I call him.
I think we have learned improved about them.
I mean, European kind of.
What else? What else have you learned? Even this chicken,
Oh, yeah. Like that. Not in the bones of it. No? Lagi.
After food. I'm gonna speak loud.
Okay.
So guys, come. So guys, my face it's turning red because it's so hot. I'm leaving now. Bye, David. Thank you so much. So guys, the food was so good and I truly enjoyed it.
Speak now.
David, he's a good chef and yeah, guys, I will come as an uninvited guest now.
Good. Inform 24 hours before.
Oh yeah, so that you need to cook, right? So yeah,
Not just go back to go and buy.
yeah. So I'm coming again next time because I like the way he cooked. And I'm leaving now. It's late. It's already 11. And
Yeah.
bye,
Bye
Sam.
guys. Bye.
Sam, you enjoyed his food, of course.
Always.
Always, yeah. It's not his first time. So, anyways, guys, I'll see you in my next video.